there everyone, welcome to our YouTube Pop for June. This month's challenge was Things with Wings. I'm Amanda and I can't wait to share with you how I made this card. Quick thanks to our host Cecilia at Valley Oak Paper, as well as the others that are participating. I did want to share with you that today's will be a little bit different. I am going to allow you to sit back, enjoy some tunes, and check out a few details about how I made this month's card. Enjoy! have it, my take on the Things with Wings theme for this month's card hop. I hope that my card inspired you to create something beautiful. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed my creation, don't forget to show me some love by liking this video, dropping me a comment, and subscribing for future card making adventures. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description and explore all the cards that were part of this hop and the designer's creations. I can't wait to see what they made, and I can't wait to see what you made. Tag me in something if you have been inspired by this video. I look forward to seeing your work. Until next time, stay awesome and keep spreading that crafty golden joy. See you later.